Hey, what's going on? And for today, we are going to compare Apollo IO and Sales Navigator. Apollo IO and LinkedIn Sales Navigator are two popular tools for sales professionals, each offering unique features and benefits. Apollo IO is known for its user-friendly interface and advanced features like intent data and lead scoring, while LinkedIn Sales Navigator provides a vast database and robust support. Now, let's dive into their top features. Let's take a look at Apollo. Contact and Account Search. Apollo IO's Contact and Account Search feature allows users to build targeted lists quickly using over 65 filters, including contact title, job function, location, and more. This tool helps identify the right leads and companies by providing instant insights on LinkedIn, Salesforce, Gmail, or any company website. It supports account-based prospecting by identifying key stakeholders and using signals like intent data to optimize outreach timing. Sales Engagement. The Sales Engagement feature leverages automation to streamline outreach efforts. Users can create custom sequences with AI assistants or use pre-built templates that include emails, calls, and LinkedIn tasks. Apollo ensures high email deliverability through guided setups and authentication checks. Its AI personalization capabilities enhance email writing with recommendations and message analysis. Additionally, the built-in dialer facilitates cold calling with verified phone numbers and automatic call logging. Analytics. Apollo's Analytics feature provides a comprehensive view of team performance through prospecting and engagement data. It includes sequence reports for analyzing messaging effectiveness and allowing cloning of successful strategies. Users can create custom dashboards from various metrics to tailor insights to their needs. Conversational Analytics reviews sales call interactions to assess performance and highlight best practices. Workflow Engine. The Workflow Engine feature automates repetitive tasks to enhance productivity. It allows users to create custom workflows that integrate with other tools and systems, ensuring seamless operations. By automating routine processes, the Workflow Engine helps teams focus on strategic activities, improving overall efficiency and effectiveness. Deal Management. Apollo's Deal Management feature provides tools to track and manage sales deals effectively. It offers a centralized platform for monitoring deal stages, assigning tasks, and setting deadlines. Users can collaborate with team members to ensure smooth deal progression. Now, let's take a look at the features of Sales Navigator. Lead Generation. LinkedIn Sales Navigator's lead generation feature allows users to identify and connect with potential customers efficiently. It leverages LinkedIn's vast network to provide access to millions of professional profiles, enabling sales teams to find and engage with the right prospects. This feature includes advanced search filters and recommendations based on user preferences, helping to streamline the prospecting process. Account Management. The Account Management feature in LinkedIn Sales Navigator helps sales professionals manage their relationships with existing clients and prospects. It provides insights into company news, updates, and key decision makers, allowing users to stay informed about their accounts. This feature facilitates personalized communication and relationship building, ensuring that sales teams can effectively nurture their client base. Real-time Signals. LinkedIn Sales Navigator's Real-Time Signals feature offers timely updates on changes within a prospect's company or industry. This includes notifications about job changes, company news, and other relevant events that could impact sales opportunities. By staying informed about these developments, sales professionals can tailor their outreach efforts to align with the current needs and circumstances of their prospects. While these platforms offer advanced features, Both Apollo IO and LinkedIn Sales Navigator have their own set of drawbacks that users should be aware of. First, let's take a look at the drawbacks of Apollo IO. Complexity. The platform's extensive capabilities may overwhelm users, requiring significant time to learn and master all functionalities effectively, which can slow down initial adoption and productivity. Cost. Apollo IO's pricing can be high, especially for small businesses or startups with limited budgets, potentially limiting access to its full suite of features and impacting overall cost effectiveness. Integration challenges. Users may face difficulties integrating Apollo IO with existing tools and systems, which can hinder seamless workflow and data synchronization, leading to inefficiencies and potential data discrepancies. Now let's talk about the drawbacks of Sales Navigator. High cost. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is expensive, starting at $99 a month, making it a significant investment for small businesses or individuals. Time-consuming. The tool requires manual effort for tasks like building lists and reaching out to prospects, which can be time-consuming. Limited automation. Sales Navigator lacks built-in automation features, necessitating additional tools for efficient prospecting and outreach. In conclusion, choosing between Apollo IO and LinkedIn Sales Navigator depends on your needs. Apollo IO offers advanced features and affordability ideal for small businesses. LinkedIn Sales Navigator provides extensive data and support suitable for larger enterprises. Consider your budget and feature requirements to decide which is best for you. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.